The Fisker Ocean is equipped with a variety of assistance functions that can help during parking. When reversing, Rear View Monitor helps drivers see objects directly behind the Ocean. Parking Assist uses the Ocean's sonar sensors and cameras to help the driver with parking. As the Ocean approaches an object to its rear when reversing, Parking Assist will give an audible alert and display a warning on the central touchscreen. You can also activate and display one of the camera angles of the Ocean on the central touchscreen. 360 Surround View stitches together 4 camera angles of the Ocean's immediate surroundings and processes them into a single, seamless bird's-eye view. 360 Surround View helps the driver view areas that are hidden from view, enabling safer navigation around static and moving objects. 3D helps add a realistic spatial perspective to 360 Surround View. For more information, be sure to explore the Fisker Inc. YouTube channel or visit fiskerinc.com for further details.